Hello there, guys. This is me, Steven. Today we're gonna play a game called Buttons. Let's start right now, right then. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. Let's get started.
Allow me to explain
Okay,
before
so
we
it looks
begin the
like
experiment.
we are in like a prison-ish. So the first thing I
Survive as
might do
long as
is
you
like
can.
try to
There
find
will
some
only
stuff.
be one
So let's
winner.
do that. Okay,
Let
there's
the
nothing in here.
experiment begin.
Oh wait, the first event's about to
To
happen.
start things
Let's see
off,
what's it gonna
let's
be.
begin with a lighter event.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, gamble. Should I go
Whoever
for it?
presses the button will either be rewarded or terminated.
It's not worth it. It's not worth it.
Choose
I
wisely.
won't do it. Sometimes things just spawn when a mid event happens, so I'm still gonna look inside the rooms.
Congratulations. You won and will now be
Okay,
rewarded
good
with
for
a
him.
very
He won that.
useful item.
That's just luck.
No participants were terminated.
Uh-oh. That's not good. Well, I hope we survive. Well, I don't know what's about to happen, but this is gonna be crazy. I gotta say it like that. Oh, it's happening. It's happening. Uh-oh, there's some zombies. Oh, no, I'm dead. No, please, please. No! Why you close the door on me? No, 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 I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm just down. I hope someone revives me. Please end. Please end. Please end. Please end. Someone. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. But I think this was the guy who closed the door on me. Alright, that's okay though. Thank you guys. Well, I didn't die at least. They better take it down to the zombies. Those guys. So let's see. Yeah, they got them down. Look at that.
From this point onward,
Look at him.
combat is
I wish I could
authorized
take his
around the
armor
button.
though.
I suggest you act with caution.
Alright, let's see what next event is about to happen. Let's see. Let's see. Oh wait. No way, I got this. Let's see what I get. I didn't see. Bruh. Oh, I think we're doing
Behind
landmines.
these doors lies a minefield.
Oh yeah, I'm right.
One wrong step will trigger an explosion. Reach
This
the
should
other
be
side
possible
to
me.
survive.
I hope I don't die.
Good luck.
Why will I have pro armor? It's cringe. Are we able? No way, bro. Okay, this is simple. Someone. Okay, thank you. Okay. Let's go. Please. Okay. Okay. We did it. Let's go. Okay, there's still some more people. There's two. Not okay, not just two people. Oh, not just one. Okay, who does this guy think he is, bruh? Someone just said Orab. Sure. Okay, let's go on to the next one.
We will pause to take a short break.
Oh, we're gonna take a break. Let's go.
A vote will be held to decide if combat should be authorized from this point onward.
Oh,
Choose wisely.
okay.
Combat remains unauthorized.
I don't know if I said that right though. Okay, let's see what the next event will be. King of
Stay inside the button zone to survive.
Okay, then.
When the
We have to
timer
stay inside the
ends,
circle.
only players in the zone will live.
I hope no one fights.
Fight for control. Good luck. The following participants were terminated.
Okay, that was kind of easy. That was simple. Let's see what the next one will be. Oh, that one.
Prepare to run for your
Let's
life.
make sure I
The
stay
Juggernaut
inside
will
of a
soon be
safe
chosen.
place.
If the Juggernaut, they will be eliminated. The following participants were
Okay,
terminated.
I'm gonna ask someone to team probably. Let me think. Yeah, I'm gonna ask him to team. On a team. Alright, let's find this guy. Oh, I see him. Or a team. Team? Come on, please say this. Oh wait, I don't know what event is happening. Oh, I think it's the guys. The guys with guns. I think those are the people. Over here. Well, I hope I don't die. No. This guy, no, he's camping. He's camping the night, no. Okay. Please open the door. No. Come on. No, I died, no. Please don't get me. Why are they on me? No. Well, I died. Maybe next time I could win. I hope you guys have a good day and go touch some grass. I know you haven't for a while. See ya.